Let's open the box of July of 2020 and see what's inside. This box was all about water, so you'll see a blue theme all over it. So this, we changed it a little bit this month. So this is the list of everything you have in the box, as well as the special surprise items. And at the back, we ask you to share the fun that you're having with everybody. I'm gonna put that back there. So let's open this blue box of water and see how it goes. We are actually very proud of this package. This is one of the most complete packages we've ever had before. Okay, so as you can see immediately, it's all about growing kale. So these are the organic kale seeds that comes with the package. As usual, you have your corked pin in there that you can use to put your mantra card and the stickers on your cork pad that you got in your first month. So the mantra of the month is water is life. And as usual, at the back, there's a space for you to put your water sticker on. And then you can obviously put these with the pin on your cork pad. Then the first thing you see after that are the 10 growing bags. So these are actually bags that open up like this, and they're for starting your kale seedlings. So you put soil in here and you start your kale seedlings in these bags. And how do you care for your kale? And a kale chip recipe at the back. Your family's win card of the month. We also have an extra activity here, making bee waterers, since this box is all about water. Your garden talk cards, which you can actually collect together because there's holes that you can punch, and these are cutouts with little cute logos at the back. And your kids, these are conversation starters about water, which is the topic of the month. This just keeps giving, this box. Now, the main item is, as you know, the growing activity guide. The step-by-step guide. Here's your shopping list, everything that you actually need. And this is the entire guide of how to grow your kale seeds step by step. The coloring page, which is about water. The main topic intro card, which is a little lesson about water and its relation to growing food and gardening. And as soon as you think you're done, this box, again, this is one of the boxes we're most proud of. It just keeps giving. So what you have in this box, this is for Canadians. The US customers got a smaller package, but cuter and also more functional because it had a hydration bag with it. Sometimes supplies in Canada and US are different, so we go around, shop around, and we get you the best quality material that's available in your country. So this is a coconut coir. So essentially this is soil. So what happens is that, as the instructions tell you at the front, you actually hydrate this, and this expands and becomes a lot of soil, which then you can put in your bags. And using the growing activity guide, grow the kale seed pack. This is a very interesting box that we love. Our boxes are getting better and better and better. Make sure to get your kiddos on the wait list, since we're sold out, on the wait list of the August box. Usually on the 16th of every month, we have a few spots available if you can, and we let our waitlist know, and if you can grab those spots, you can get the next box. And again, we don't repeat any boxes. All the boxes are only one time, and if you miss it, you miss it. So you want to make sure that you're on that wait list so that you can grab the next box as soon as we have spots available.